Sir, Chapter 13, Class 7th. Very short answer type question. Question number 1. Give an example where motion is non-uniform. Children, in this question you have to give one example of non-uniform motion. Now its answer. A car moving in a crowded or busy place. A car moving in a crowded or busy place, sometimes it move fast, sometimes it move slow. So it represents non-uniform motion. Now the question number 2. Define time. Time is the lapse between the regularly recurring events. This is the lapse between the regularly recurring events. The events which repeated at regular interval of time. So that is the lapse in between these two events is called time. Question number 3. Which instrument were used to measure time during ancient time? Children, its answer. In ancient time, the people used the time from sunrise to sunset, the length of shadows, one full moon to another full moon, and the change of season to measure the interval of time. Means they use the events which repeat at regular interval of time to measure the time. What is a stopwatch? Answer. Stopwatch is a device which measures very small intervals of time in the laboratory or in the sports event. Stopwatch can measure accurately up to 1/10 or even 1/100th of a second. Means very small time interval. Question number 5. What is origin in a graph? Its answer. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. This is known as origin. Children, when we plot a graph, line graph, x-axis and y-axis, the point of intersection where the two axes meet, so this is known as origin. Now question 6. What will be the shape of distance time graph if unequal distances are covered in equal intervals of time? Answer is a zigzag line or a curved line. It is not a straight line, it is a zigzag line or curved line. Is obtained when the graph is of non-uniform motion. Or we can say unequal distances are covered in equal intervals of time.